Today I'm going to show you how to save passwords in Google Chrome so you can log into websites faster, keep your passwords organized, and let Chrome remember them for you automatically. This is a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time every day if you use the same websites over and over again. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Chrome has built-in password saving and autofill features, so if you set it up properly, it can ask you to save passwords whenever you sign into a website. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access all of the browser's settings and tools. From the list, click Settings. That will take you into Chrome's settings page. Now, in the left-hand menu, click Autofill and Passwords. This is the section where Chrome keeps all of its password and form-filling tools. Then click Google Password Manager. This is the area where Chrome stores saved passwords, lets you manage them, and gives you control over password options. Inside Password Manager, click Settings. Here you'll find the option called Offer to Save Passwords. Turn that on. Once this setting is enabled, Chrome will start asking you whether you want to save your login details whenever you sign into a website. That means the next time you enter a username and password, Chrome can remember it for you and fill it in later. Now let's say you want to add a password manually. Go back to Passwords, then click Add. This lets you create a saved login entry yourself instead of waiting for Chrome to detect it automatically. In the website field, paste the site URL. For example, you can type amazon.com if you want to save an Amazon login. Next, click the username field and type your username or email address. Then click the password field and enter your password. Double check everything so it's correct because this is what Chrome will use when you log in later. After that, click Save, and that's it. Your password is now saved in Google Chrome, and you can use it again whenever you need to log into that website. If Chrome ever asks whether you want to save a password while signing in, just make sure you click Save, and Chrome will store it for future use. You can also return to Google Password Manager anytime to view, edit, or remove saved passwords whenever you need to make changes. So now you know how to save passwords in Google Chrome using both the automatic save option and the manual add option. This is a great way to stay organized and speed up your browsing experience. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.